Did you know there's an easy way to find your follow link for LinkedIn? Now, what is the follow link? Where do you find it? How do you get that link and where can you use it? That's what we're gonna cover in this video. Stay tuned, as we're gonna get started right now. Hey, I'm Lowell Brown from Going Social, and I help small businesses with digital marketing solutions. And we're talking about LinkedIn today and a follow me button and how you can find that follow me link. So what I wanna do is I wanna take you to screen sharing mode. I'm gonna show you my LinkedIn profile and show you exactly how to find this follow me link. Let's get into that. Okay, so we're here on LinkedIn. I've opened up my account, we're on my profile, and I wanna show you how to find that follow me link. Well, the easiest way to get to it is on the left side here, click on post impressions. You'll see that on the left. You click on that and you're gonna get to this page that shows you some analytics and tools. What you wanna do is scroll right to the bottom. You're gonna find follow link and then click right here and you're gonna open up to this page. And you've got two choices here. You can copy the code. So if this is something you want to embed on your website or embed it somewhere else like an email newsletter, you can copy the code there. Or what you can do is copy the text link, and that's going to include this follow me on LinkedIn text along with this link and this URL. But this is really the magic. This is what you need. Now, some people have a link, let's say in their email newsletter, on their website, in their email signature, and it goes to their actual LinkedIn profile. And when you're there, you've got a couple choices. You can look at the LinkedIn profile, you can click on to connect, you can click on to follow if you've got that enabled. But this is just a shortcut for follow. And I want to show you what it's going to look like if you click that link. This is what opens up. Instead of it opening to my profile, you're getting a screen here that says confirm to follow Lowell on LinkedIn. And this has my picture, my profile, and then it's got the confirm button and the view profile. So really, this is just an alternative. You can either direct people right to your LinkedIn profile and let them choose to connect with you or follow you, or if you're just interested in followers, this is another solution for you. So if you liked this LinkedIn marketing tip and you're interested in more, I've got so many videos on this channel. I've got a video covering how to create a custom URL for your LinkedIn profile. I've done demonstrations showing how to turn on privacy mode so you can use LinkedIn without letting people know that you're checking them out, and many, many more. So all you have to do is click on the link in the description below, and that'll take you to my playlist here on YouTube where you can check out some of those videos. And I also have a LinkedIn training course coming up. If that's something that you're interested in, I really would love it if you just comment yes below. Let me know that you'd like to learn more about LinkedIn to reach more people, attract more connections, and make a better impression on LinkedIn. I'd love to help you out. Comment below, and until then, I'll see you in the next video. Oh, and don't forget, if you like this video and you want to see more of them, please be sure to click like and subscribe below, and that way you'll get notified the next time I create a new video. Or just stay tuned, and the next video will pop up right here in a second. See you there.